Today on this video, I'll try to explain what is the Maven, and I'll show you how you can execute your test cases by the help of Maven and command. So this video is actually for those who doesn't know that Maven properly. So yeah, I think it will helps you to make your understanding. Let's start this video, guys. So what is the Maven? So Maven is like a build automation tool primarily used for Java project. So it provides that uniform build system and dependency management. So inside that Maven, we can add that dependencies inside that form.xml file. So it will understand its core like thing, and you can execute that form.xml by that help of Maven command. And so this component is basically like essential component for software development purpose. Now, there is some key features of Maven is there. Maven offers like several key features, like a dependency management, one of them. Another thing is project lifecycle management and plugin architecture. So through that way, you can use that any kind of plugin inside that your form.xml. So these features actually streamline that your development process, your like creating that test script process. So and also some kind of automated repetitive task if you want to do. So these all are actually key features of Maven. Then there is some roles in automation. So inside that Maven actually it plays a crucial role if you're doing that automation script, you're writing the automation script. So first of all, it will actually enable that continuous integration and continuous delivery thing like CI/CD thing. So it automates the build process and ensure that if that changes is tested and it should be integrated smoothly. So through that way, Maven actually basically used for build purpose for our automation script. So, like if I see that Maven as a software testing perspective, so Maven mainly facilitate that execution of test cases. Through that Maven command, we can execute that our test script, whatever we have written. So inside that our framework that we can do. And also, it also enables that a various testing framework. So we can integrate that various testing framework inside with that our like automation script code base. So yeah, so these all are the benefits of using Maven. So also it will actually improve that productivity, and it also improves that like project structure. Inside that automation, if you are using that form.xml, you need to just add the dependencies file, and Maven will automatically search those software from that Maven repository, and it will auto install that software inside that your framework. So because of that, we are using Maven, and also for test script building purpose, we are also using that Maven. So there is some challenges also there. First is like dependency conflict. So sometimes some dependencies have some conflict. So due to that, like Maven actually not able to build that script properly. That is some challenges in Maven. So finding that proper dependencies with that proper version, it is a quite difficult task for Maven. So in that last section, so we can say like Maven is an essential tool for that automation and software testing purpose, and also it will like improve that efficiency and effectiveness of the software development life cycle. I'll explain you how you can run your test cases on by that help of Maven command. So how can you execute your automation cases with Maven command? So guys, let's start this video. So before starting this video, let me introduce my framework. So this is that automation cases framework I have written. So inside that automation framework, inside the test.java, I have created some package. And inside that package, I have located all page object like here. If I click on that, so here you will see that all page object I have created. So this page object here I have created one constructor, and I have initialized that our like page drive remote driver whatever driver I am getting from that base variable, that I am storing here inside that page driver. So for this I am using this keyword. Then I have used that page factory for initialize element. So instead of that, I can directly extend that base key, base class here. So this is our base class. Let me show you the base class here. So this is our base class. So here I have like written that setup like of thing, and here I have added the logger, and for logging purpose I have used log4j dot properties file. Okay, so this thing I will explain further in that my details video, where that I'll create that like all framework from scratch, and I'll explain you everything on detail point of view. So like let me show you now this video. So once this here like all things have been done, then I have that driver file will be located here. Okay, so instead of that, if I don't want to write this web driver and this dot page driver, then I can directly use that base class like here. So I can extend that base class property here, like here inside that card page. So here what I did here I have extended our base class, and I just create that card page constructor, and I have I have initialized that page factory. So this approach is also proper, but through this approach and this approach there is some differences in there. Differences in the sense of, suppose in that if my project is small, on that case this approach is quite good, because here my base class is a centralized thing. Okay, but suppose that I have a pretty much long test script. So for that I need to use this thing. So because this is that more decentralized way, so through that way we can write that so many script also. Then here find by annotation is there, and all things I have added, like all locators I have added, and every method I have created here, like action method. Then all that data I have located inside that my like is at that resources configuration dot property file. So this is our base URL, this is our browser. So I have written on read.config.java. So here I have given that user directory, and I just like write one method to like read the property file, and then this property file will be sent it to our base class. Okay, so this is the overall concept. Now once it is done, then how can we execute these test cases by that help of command? So we can execute the cases. So suppose this is our test script. So inside that, if I click on run, or if I click on run all, then it will be executed, and that thing I will get, that report I will get here, and that another report will be generated inside that our target folder. So sorry, test output folder. So here that our report will be generated. But how can we run this thing by the help of command? So this video is about to for this purpose. Okay, so for that we need to go to our testng .xml file. So here we need to like add that all cases as in class. So if that, suppose I have two test script, so all two test script I need to add here. So without that cases will not execute. Then inside that form, form.xml, we need to write that some build tag. Inside that build tag I need to add that something. So see that here inside that build tag I have added one plugin, and then group id, then here Maven compiler plugin, and version I need to provide, and what kind of configuration I need to show, that I need to define here. Then inside that another group id I need to provide. Here I need to execute that testng.xml suite, so that I am like defining here. So this is our inside that build tag, whatever is there, that will be built by Maven. Now I'll navigate to the browser. So inside that browser, if we search that Maven MVN, so here that Apache Maven page will be open. So here we need to go to the download area. So here we have branch of files, but we just only need to download that our Maven like binary.zip archive. So once you have downloaded, you need to unzip that Maven, and you need to show that thing to your system variable, in a system environment variable. There you need to add that. Once it is done, then you need to navigate to your like cases folder where that your cases has located, like here. Then here you need to use that following command like mbn then test. If I click on enter, so what will happen, Maven will automatically build that thing, and then it will execute that cases, and that cases will be executed. So here that my automation cases is being executed. So here see that guys, here it is sign up, and here I'm getting that a proper test result like test case run and will go succeed. So like that way we can run that our automation cases by the help of Maven command. So we can use that any tag, like we can use like group by option also, and like we can also do that lots of complexity with that project. So all things will be, we can do. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So this is a basic video. I hope this video is helpful. So thank you. Thanks for your valuable time. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please like this video, subscribe my channel, help me to grow on YouTube. And guys, if you have any questions, please comment down. I will definitely try to answer those comments. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.